Want to know what will make you happy? Then ask a total stranger, or so says a new study from Harvard University, which shows that another person's experience is often more dash than your own best guess. So the question is, what makes us happy? So if we want an answer to this question, we should not just keep on guessing by ourselves. We should ask other persons or strangers, because it said their experience is more dash than, more educational. We are not talking about education here. Revealing experience. Experience, for the noun experience, revealing is not an adjective. Others person's experience is more helpful than our guess or informative. So because we are seeking an answer to a question, so it will not be just helpful, because helpful is very general. We'll say that the other person's opinion can give us more information than just guessing that what will make us happy. The study, which appears in the current issue of Science, was led by this person, professor at Harvard and author of the bestseller Stumbling on Happiness, along with the other person also of Harvard and Wilson of other university. If you want to know how much you will enjoy an experience, you're better off knowing how much someone else enjoyed it than knowing anything about the experience itself, says this person. So here they have explained what they meant by in the first sentence. Rather than closing your eyes and dash the future. So what form of verb do we need? They have used ing form here. Closing our eyes and dash the future. We should also go for ing. We have imagining, visualizing, seeing, or picture. So picture won't be our answer because it will be a noun here, but we need ing form of verb. When we close our eyes, we see the future, visualize, or imagine. So it's something which is not real. We close our eyes and we just imagine how the future will be. It's not visualizing. Visualizing is um, like somebody is explaining something in words and we can visualize it in the form of a story. That is visualizing. So, closing our eyes and imagining the future, we should examine the experience of those who have been there. Previous research in psychology, neuroscience, and economics has shown that people have difficulty predicting what they will like and how much they will like it, which dash them to make a wide variety of poor decisions. So we need a verb here which dash them. Them is the noun or the pronoun. And what is the noun in the previous part? It is difficulty. So difficulty which dash them. Difficulty singular. So we'll go with verb with s. So out of the options we have only one verb with s. So we'll go with difficulty which leads them to make a wide variety of poor decisions. Dash aimed at dash the accuracy with which people imagine future events have been generally unsuccessful. So have here tells us that our noun should be plural. First thing is, it is a first word of the sentence, so it has to start with a capital letter, and in the options there's only one capital. Even if the other ones would have been capital, but based on have tells us we need plural and only one is plural. Interventions aimed at dash the accuracy. So what can we do with accuracy? Civilizing, humanizing, improving, or deteriorating. Accuracy is like how correct we are at something, how accurate we are. It has nothing to do with civilized or humanized thing. Humanizing and civilizing both means the same context. To be more civilized in life, that is civilizing and humanizing. Deteriorating is something which is degrading in quality, but we want to improve the accuracy with which people imagine future events. Imagine was also given here, so that can also be a hint that they were talking